Have you ever stepped off a plane feeling like your body clock has been mugged, rearranged, and put back together by someone who definitely didn't read the instruction manual? That's jet lag. It's the sneaky villain of modern travel, capable of transforming a dream vacation into a zombie march through Paris, or an important business meeting into a bleary-eyed staring contest with your coffee. But why does this happen? And more importantly, can we outsmart it? Today, we're diving into the secret science behind jet lag and how to finally beat it. So grab a coffee and sit back. What exactly is jet lag? At its core, jet lag is your body's circadian rhythm throwing a tantrum. Your circadian rhythm is your internal 24-hour biological clock. It tells your body when to sleep, when to wake, when to release hormones, even when to be hungry. It's like a highly organized stage manager, keeping all the actors of your body on cue. But here's the problem. This clock is heavily synced to light and dark cycles, the rising and setting of the sun. When you suddenly leap across time zones, your clock is still running on home time, so while locals in Tokyo are heading out for sushi at 7 p.m, your body thinks it's still breakfast time in New York. No wonder you're yawning into your miso soup. Now, the sciencey stuff without the boring bits. The real star of this story is a teeny-tiny region of your brain called the suprachiasmatic nucleus, or SCN. Think of it as your body's master clock, a bundle of about 20,000 neurons sitting in your hypothalamus right behind your eyes. This little timekeeper responds to light signals detected by special cells in your retina. When it sees daylight, it sends signals that tell your body, wake up, be alert, do taxes. When it gets dark, the SCN calls in melatonin, the sleep hormone, to lull you toward dreamland. So far, so good. But when you zoom through time zones at 600 miles an hour, your SCN gets confused. It's like your brain is on Windows 95 and someone just unplugged the computer mid-update. That confusion, that mismatch between your internal clock and the outside world is what we call jet lag. But why jet lag feels so awful? Jet lag isn't just about being sleepy at weird times. Oh no, it's a full-body rebellion. Your sleep-wake cycle is scrambled. Your digestive system doesn't know when it's supposed to eat, so you might feel hungry at 3 a.m. or bloated at noon. Your hormones go haywire, which is why your mood can swing from cheerful tourist to grumpy troll in about 3 minutes. Even your brain slows down. Studies show jet-lagged brains have slower reaction times and worse memory recall. In short, jet lag doesn't mess with your sleep, it messes with you. Here's a fun twist. Jet lag is actually worse when you travel east than when you travel west. Why? Because your natural circadian rhythm is usually a little longer than 24 hours, about 24.2 hours on average, which means your body actually finds it easier to delay the clock, like staying up late, than to shorten it, like forcing yourself to sleep earlier. So flying west, say from London to New York, you're basically stretching your day, which your body can kind of handle. But flying east, from New York to London, you're asking your body to do the impossible, fall asleep earlier than it wants. That's why eastbound flights can feel like a time-traveling sucker punch. Okay, so jet lag is annoying, disorienting, and occasionally makes you cry in an airport bathroom. But can we fight back? Science says yes. Here are the secret weapons. Light exposure, the Jedi mind trick for your brain. Light is the single most powerful tool for resetting your circadian rhythm. Remember that little SCN in your brain? It loves light. If you need to adjust to an earlier time zone, flying east, get morning light exposure. Go outside, don't hide behind sunglasses, and soak it in. If you're adjusting to a later time zone, flying west, seek evening light exposure instead. Basically, aim the sunlight at your brain like you're rebooting it. Melatonin, the hormone hack. Melatonin supplements can be surprisingly effective. Taken at the right local bedtime, a small dose can nudge your body towards sleepiness. But timing is everything. Take it too early and you'll feel groggy too late, and you'll just shift the problem forward. Think of melatonin as a polite knock on the door of sleep, not a battering ram. Caffeine, use responsibly. Coffee can help keep you awake during the new daytime in your destination. But use it strategically. Don't chug espressos at 10 p.m. in Rome unless you enjoy staring at your hotel ceiling until sunrise. Pre-flight preparation. If you know you're traveling east, start nudging your bedtime earlier a few days before. If west, push it later. Think of it like training your circadian rhythm, the same way you'd train for a marathon, except with more Netflix and pajamas. Sleep hygiene, boring but effective. Dark cool room, no glowing phone in your face, earplugs if needed. Basically, treat your sleep environment like a VIP spa for your brain. There are also some fun and weird hacks that actually work. Scientists and some very desperate travelers have tried all kinds of creative tricks to beat jet lag. Some actually work. Meal timing, eating on destination time can help reset your digestive clock. So yes, that 10 a.m. sushi in Tokyo might actually be medicine. Exercise. A workout in the morning sun at your destination is a double whammy. Light plus activity, both strong cues for your circadian system. Avoiding booze on flights? Sorry, but that in-flight gin and tonic is your enemy. Alcohol messes with sleep quality, making jet lag worse. The Argon anti-jet lag diet. This quirky diet involves alternating feasting and fasting days before travel. The idea is to prime your clock. It's not universally proven, but hey, some swear by it. Then you might wonder, can jet lag be eliminated? Scientists are actually working on it. Researchers are experimenting with special light therapy lamps, apps that calculate the perfect exposure schedule, even pharmaceuticals that directly tweak circadian rhythms. And of course, there's the most extreme solution: just fly slower. If you travel by boat, your body gradually adjusts over several days, avoiding jet lag altogether. The downside? Your Caribbean vacation now takes 3 weeks just to get there. But why jet lag matters? Here's the kicker. Jet lag isn't just about vacations, it's actually a small-scale version of a much bigger problem: circadian disruption. Shift workers, medical staff, even astronauts deal with constant circadian chaos, and studies link long-term disruption to serious health issues, metabolic disorders, depression, even cancer risk. So learning to respect and manage your body clock isn't just about enjoying croissants in Paris, it's about protecting your health. So next time you step off a long-haul flight feeling like a scrambled egg, remember, jet lag isn't you being weak. It's biology. Your ancient circadian rhythm is still wired for sunrise and sunset, not supersonic metal tubes crossing time zones. But with a little strategy, sunlight, timing, smart sleep, you can outwit jet lag and actually enjoy your trip without feeling like you're auditioning for The Walking Dead. And that, dear traveller, is the secret science behind jet lag and how to beat it. Thanks for watching. If this video helped reset your brain clock, hit that like button, subscribe for more sciencey adventures, and remember, travel smart, sleep smarter.